Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus corded stick vacuum, designed to make cleaning both easier and more efficient, especially when it comes to pet hair. This vacuum is an interesting blend of power, versatility, and convenience. With a powerful motor, a lightweight design, and specialized pet attachments, the Rocket Pet Plus promises to tackle everything from deep carpet cleaning to those tough-to-reach spots under furniture. Let's see how it stacks up when put to the test. The Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus comes with some compelling features. At the heart of this vacuum is its powerful suction, making it an excellent choice for tackling pet hair, dirt, and dust on all kinds of surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. It's equipped with an XL dust cup with a capacity of 0.68 quarts, which means you can clean larger areas without constantly having to stop and empty the bin. This is especially helpful for those of us who live in pet-heavy households where the hair just doesn't seem to stop piling up. What really sets this vacuum apart is its lightweight design. At just a few pounds, it's a breeze to maneuver, and the fact that it easily converts into a handheld vacuum gives you total flexibility for cleaning stairs, furniture, and even your car interiors. The included pet attachments, such as the Pet Multi-Tool and Pet Crevice Tool, are specifically designed to capture embedded pet hair, making it a solid option for pet owners. Whether you're cleaning your couch or getting into those hard-to-reach spaces, these tools extend your cleaning reach and help pick up stubborn debris. Another standout feature is the LED headlights. They illuminate your cleaning path, helping you spot hidden debris and pet hair, especially around corners or under furniture. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, as it ensures you're not missing those pesky spots. As for performance, the Shark Rocket Pet Plus delivers powerful suction across various floor types, including both hard floors and carpets. It does a great job of picking up fine dust and debris from hardwood floors, and it pulls embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets and rugs with ease. The suction power remains consistent, even as you move from one surface to another. However, its performance on high-pile carpets may not be as impressive as other models designed specifically for that purpose. It's better suited for homes with low to medium pile carpeting. When it comes to real-world usage, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus is surprisingly easy to set up and use. Assembling the vacuum is quick, and you don't need to be a DIY expert to get it up and running. You'll appreciate the compactness and lightweight design, as it makes cleaning less of a chore. On stairs, for example, the handheld mode allows you to easily carry the vacuum and clean each step without much hassle. Similarly, when tackling upholstery or car interiors, the attachments really shine by grabbing onto stubborn pet hair and dust. One thing worth mentioning is the noise level. While it's not the quietest vacuum, it's far from the loudest. It operates at a relatively standard level, which is something to consider if you're sensitive to noise during cleaning. The vacuum also feels solid, with good build quality for its price range. The plastics aren't flimsy, and the connections, such as the wand and hose, are well constructed and hold up under use. As for battery life, since this is a corded model, there's no need to worry about running out of power midway through your cleaning session. The cord gives you decent reach, but be mindful of its length when you're moving between rooms. It's not as flexible as a cordless model, but it ensures you'll have continuous power during longer cleaning sessions. Now, every vacuum has its pros and cons, and this one is no exception. The Shark Rocket Pet Plus excels in suction power, especially when it comes to pet hair removal. It's also incredibly lightweight and versatile, thanks to its ability to convert to a handheld vacuum. Plus, those LED headlights are a game changer for finding hidden debris. However, the XL dust cup, while helpful, does need to be emptied more frequently in larger homes. And while it performs admirably on most surfaces, it may struggle a bit with deep cleaning on high-pile carpets. Also, the cord length may be restrictive for those with large homes or high-ceilinged spaces, especially compared to the flexibility of a cordless vacuum. In terms of value for money, this vacuum strikes a good balance between performance and price. It's certainly more affordable than high-end models with similar suction power, especially for pet owners. While there are cheaper options on the market, the Shark HV322 offers solid performance and durability, and it comes with specialized tools that make it stand out for homes with pets. Competing vacuums in the same price range, like the Dyson V7 Motorhead or the Bissell PowerEdge, may offer similar suction, but they often lack the pet-specific attachments and the versatility of the Rocket Pet Plus. It's an investment that offers strong performance without breaking the bank. If we compare it to some other alternatives on the market, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus stands out in its price range for its powerful suction and pet-specific tools. The Dyson V7, for instance, is another popular option, offering similar suction power, but in a cordless package. However, the Dyson model has a smaller dustbin, which might require more frequent emptying during longer cleaning sessions. On the other hand, the Shark vacuum has a larger dust cup and the advantage of being corded, so you don't need to worry about battery life. The Shark is also a little more maneuverable due to its lighter weight, while the Dyson, though a bit heavier, offers the convenience of not having to worry about a cord. The build quality of the Shark Rocket Pet Plus is solid for its price. It feels durable, and the parts fit together well, making it easy to clean and maintain. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the brush roll is simple to clean. There are no complicated maintenance procedures, which is a plus if you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time on upkeep. The filters are washable, which saves on replacement costs. Over time, based on the design and brand reputation, we can expect it to hold up well, but it's always good to stay on top of regular cleaning to keep it running at peak performance. If you ever need support, Shark's customer service reputation is solid, with many users reporting helpful and responsive service. The warranty is also something to keep in mind. It's typically generous, which adds to the value of the product. If you're someone who's dealing with a home full of pets, a variety of surfaces, and a need for a versatile vacuum that's light enough to move around, but powerful enough to clean, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus is an excellent option. It's especially well suited for people who want an affordable vacuum with pet hair tools, strong suction, and the flexibility to clean different areas of the home, from floors to furniture, and even car interiors. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Shark Rocket Pet Plus, check out the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments if you've already tried it or if you have any questions about its performance. Goodbye till next time. And remember, if cleaning your house is a chore, at least let the vacuum do the heavy lifting.